Hello, hi. So today I'm coming with the, I think, very popular direction when someone started a detox. In general, I met many times people who take a detox for this way exactly. Its meaning. So what is going on about the detox and the lose weight? So how to start? I can say, like in the beginning, detox is not equal with the lose weight, definitely. And if someone will follow in this path, I'm sure 99% can find some how to say, not a nice surprise, not what is expect. So detox is not for lose weight, but detox can help in the next step to lose weight easier, and it's possible will be also faster. Why? So, or exactly how we can use detox for lose our weight. At first, we can cleaning and regeneration our organs, which are the most important when we start to lose the weight. For example, the liver and the colon, in general intestines. They are the two first important organs for lose weight. And if we cleaning nicely these parts, what or how I was started when I had the problem with my weight, but also this is not the only point why I do the detox. So not only the lose weight, because I have also the other issues, but I also want to and help to repair it. Anyway, this is not about that, not about me now. So we can regenerate these organs. It'll help them work better when we start to lose weight. Next one, when we're in the moment when we are doing detox, for sure detox will show us what kind of behaviors and how many behaviors we have which are probably not supporting us, which are not healthy, which are even maybe destructive for us and disturbing our good mood, good condition, everything. Yes, so that will be a very clear sign in this whole procedure. And this is not even doesn't matter if we do shorter or longer detox, because all of the detox have some values what we can use it and which they can show it in different ways. Our patterns, our type of destructive these behaviors and many things, how we eat about general. So next one is, for example, detox for sure will show you the emotions which are stimulating you to do it, many different bad behaviors and way how you eat. And I think this is the one of the strongest part for a detox. When we do a detox, when we get the feedback about our emotion, and I think it's very good to try to open for that, because what is the next point, what I want to say, with the good detox, when you will do a really nice detox in a good way and nicely work with your emotions, then for sure you can change a lot in your routine, in your daily life, I mean the style of your life, which will be important moment to changing a lot of things and to changing many destructive way what you're doing for yourself, and also maybe discover some intolerance when you will be more focused, when you will more observe yourself. Then also you can get the feedback really what your body needs from you, what kind of food, what is not longer important, or what do you think there is something what you can live without it. Yes. And after finish, for example, you discover, oh, this is not tasted at all for me, I don't like it, or I don't need it, it doesn't matter for me if this exists or no. Yes. So really this type of change can appear. So everything is depends how you will be open for yourself and what the detox can show you. And but what I want to say, of course, it's happened something like this, then detox can help lose weight. But this is just a very small group, and in particular situation. For example, when I was working in the Shinopa's veggies, where it's just focused for a detox, first I'm meeting many people which are coming just in the first mind to have, I need to lose weight, yeah. And of course, what I said before, they a little bit disappointing. They say the detox is not good, blah blah blah. But come on, detox is not for lose the weight. But generally they don't want to listen to that, and after they are disappointing, yeah. But when it's happened, sometimes when we have very particular case, when many things doesn't work and we still have a problem, we are stuck in our some too high weight and like that. Sometimes exactly this detox, it's like a small explosion to starting the new path, because your body start to react for something, yeah. And that was happened when I was worked there. And this is also very emotionally, very private, intimate moments, because this is a moment when someone really wants to lose weight, try to find something good for them, and it was very hard, and different problems with the health, and can be really emotionally, and also it was very touching for me because it's somehow correlated with my story, and I was support this type of person, and this is a beautiful moment. But also this has happened for someone, like this person who is coming with some conscience why she's coming to this place, why she wants to do a detox, to see her emotionally part too. Yeah, so this is not like a coincidence. It's not happened with the coincidence, that I want to say. Anyway, for what is detox, I can send you again to my first and second topic in this catalog in my channel. You can listen one more time, or the first time, and thinking about why you want to choose detox, how you can use it, what kind of value you can expect, and to get as much as possible. Yeah, so you can check, and please, you can follow me also here, subscribe, leave it some comments, or if you have your own experience, ideas, you can send me by email. I will be happy to see some messages. So have a nice day, and I wish you a nice experience with yourself, with your personality too. So bye bye, ciao.